Yes, hello. Okay, this is our second day here in Kitzbühel, Austria. Dito po kami nagstay sa Alpine Hotel. So yes, and we are in the third floor. And you can see guys in my background, the weather is cold and -1. And yes, we are in the lakeside, and look at that, the lake is frozen up. There's some people walking downstairs, and there's one hotel there, and that's the lake. It's frozen up. It's very cold here, and in the afternoon is quite sunny. It looks like a spring weather in the afternoon, but in the morning it's freezing. Really, it's cold. Yeah, hindi kami lumabas ng alaga ko. Dito lang kami ni Toto Teo sa loob ng hotel. Kasama yung alagang aso ng friend nila. Maybe later in the afternoon, pag gumanda ang weather, pag sunny or maaraw at medyo warm, lalabas kami at maglaro. Pero sa ngayon, kasi nag-ski sila, so stay muna kami dito sa kwarto. So yan lang po ang update. Nag-aso-aso. So yan lang po ang update. Ciao.